Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Xcode and Mac OS compatibility, then download the simulator runtimes you need. Once done, open a project and choose a device in the toolbar. This selects the runtime and screen size. Make sure to sign in with your Apple ID for device features. Next, check the Scheme menu and pick the build target, since the simulator runs the app bundle you select. Begin the build immediately to launch the simulator and see logs in the debug console. You interact with the simulator through the hardware and window menus to emulate physical actions. For example, rotate, shake, or trigger a memory warning to test app responses. Once placed, use the debug menu to slow animations or simulate GPS by loading GPX files so you can verify location logic. Make sure to enable Connect Hardware Keyboard if you prefer typing with your Mac. Also, inspect logs in console to trace issues while stepping through your app behavior. You finish by testing across OS versions and device configurations. Run the same build on multiple runtimes to confirm compatibility. Once done, uninstall or use reset content and settings to ensure a clean start for follow-up tests. If something breaks, check device logs first to see stack traces, then clean the build folder and rebuild. Often that fixes stale caches. If issues persist, quit and relaunch the simulator or Xcode. This resolves simulator process hangs and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.